how to turn on or off stories notifications on Telegram. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS or iPhone mobile phone. And okay guys, sir, in Telegram homepage, okay, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, you can see here the notification and sounds. Okay, tap this. Here in notifications, okay, you can see here the message notification section. Here in message notification section, you can see the stories. And the stories is on. So to turn off the stories, okay, you'll have to do is tap the stories. And okay guys, here in stories, okay, you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button. And also the important stories. So if you want to turn off this. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned off the stories notification on Telegram. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is tap again the stories and switch on the switch button on the right side of this new stories to turn on the stories notification on your Telegram. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off stories notifications on Telegram. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.